Itong topic na to, kasali to sa coverage sa civil service exam, the ratio and proportion. Problem number 1, a piece of timber 273 cm long is cut into 3 pieces in the ratio of 3 to 7 to 11. So, determine the length of the 3 pieces. So, ang first natin gagawin nito is kukunin natin yung total parts sa problem, which is i-add lang natin tong 3 plus 7 plus 11. Ito yung tatlong pieces. The total of parts is 21 and it is correspond to 273. So, dito, i-divide lang natin itong 273 sa 21 parts para makuha natin yung kung gaano kahaba yung timber per parts. So, bali, ang result nito is 13 cm, 13 cm part per part. Pero dito sa tanong is hinahanap natin yung length. So, bali, cm lang talaga. At saka, yung length sa tatlong pieces sa problem. So, meron naman tayong 3, 7, at saka yung 11 parts. So, just simply multiply lang yung 13 sa per pieces. So, bali, yung first piece, 3, which is the 3, multiply natin sa 13, is 39 cm. Then, the second piece, which is the 7 times 13, nakuha tayo ng 91 cm. And last, the third piece, meron itong 11. Multiply natin ng 13, nakuha tayo ng 143 cm. So, ito na yung tatlong hinahanap sa problem. At kung gusto natin ito i-check, dapat itong tatlong na to is nagtototal ito ng 273. So, i-check natin. Try natin check. So, 143 plus 91 plus 39. So, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 3, 13. Carry 1, 15, 14, plus 3, 17. So, 273. So, it means na itong tatlong na to is correct answer. So, that's it.